Genesis Equipment is a distributor for global leading brands such as Benpack, Sturton Coney, Buysbath. So we supply hoist, lifting equipment, specialised testing equipment throughout Australia in all segments, whether it's a car dealership right away through to a car enthusiast, or a truck dealership right away through to truck enthusiast. The difference we see with the Benpack hoist is not just with the ergonomical technology that we use when we're operating the hoist and lifting the hoist, it's all about safety and longevity. We can put anyone under the hoist and we know they're safe. With the Benpack hoist, there's no complicated buttons to use. When we want the hoist to go up, we press the button. In return, then when we want to lower the hoist down, it's just a matter of lifting a handle and that releases the safety locks. We just press the button and it steadily brings that car down. In our Benpack range, we have the 2-post hoist, which is very, very popular, but we do the 4-post hoist, and that's anything from a car to a truck in the 4-post range. So the versatility for wherever you use in any type of application in a workshop, we've got the hoist there to accommodate that.